Here in the previous section, we are going to determine the frequency response of linear phase FIR filters for the four cases. It is here. First one is what symmetrical impulse response, capital N odd, and second case is what symmetrical impulse response, capital N even. Similarly, antisymmetrical impulse response, capital N odd, antisymmetrical impulse response, capital N even. For these four cases, we are determining the frequency response. It is here in this section we are designing the FIR filters by using different methods. It is the following are the methods to design the FIR filters. Your first method is Fourier series method. Second method is windowing techniques. Third method is frequency sampling method. And fourth, we are observing optimal design techniques we are using to design FIR filters. Here in this class, we are discussing about Fourier series method of designing FIR filters. Here now, what is the frequency response of the system? How to represent the frequency response of the system? H of e power j omega it is. This h of e power j omega is periodic with a period 2 pi radians it is. Here let us, I am considering the impulse response. Here hd of n is the impulse response it is. Here it is of periodic function. How we can express the periodic function? Here it is it can be expressed as a linear combination of complex exponentials. It is complex exponential functions. Here means we are representing hd of n by the Fourier series method. It is here now hd of n represents what? Fourier series quotient. It is Fourier series quotient. Here now we are obtaining the desired frequency response of FIR filters. Here that can be represented by the Fourier series. It is here hd of e power j omega is equal to what? Summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity hd of n into e power minus j omega n. Here hd of n is what? Fourier series quotient of the desired impulse response of the filter. It is desired impulse response of the filter. How we can calculate the Fourier series quotient hd of n? It is calculated by using this formula. It is here hd of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to pi hd of e power j omega into e power j omega n d omega. It is here I am taking this is the equation 2, this is the equation 1. It is here now how to determine the transfer function of digital filter. Here how it is denoted by what? H of z. It is calculated as what? Summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity hd of n z power minus n. It is here actually the digital filter is of what? Infinite duration sequence. It is infinite duration and it is of non-causal digital filter. It is of the system is non-causal. Here to get the causal systems means FIR to obtain the FIR filter transfer function. How we can obtain the FIR filter transfer function? Here we are truncating this hd of n. We are truncating this hd of n means we are representing the impulse response h of n. We are defining it about origin. Here the hd of n is defined, h of n is defined in terms of this hd of n. Here h of n is equal to hd of n for minus capital N minus 1 by 2 to capital N minus 1 by 2 means mod n less than or equal to capital N minus 1 by 2 and equating this h of n to 0 remaining values it is. Here in this interval, here means this indicates what? Minus capital N minus 1 by 2 to capital N minus 1 by 2. Here in this interval, h of n is equal to hd of n it is. The remaining interval we are considering it is 0 it is. Here the impulse response becomes what? Finite duration sequence it is. Finite duration sequence. Here FIR filters, the impulse response of FIR filter is what? Finite duration sequence. Here it is defined from what? This h of n is defined from what? Defined from minus capital N minus 1 by 2 to capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here now we are determining the jet transform of h of n it is. Here jet transform of h of n is h of z, which is equal to what? Which is equal to, here from equation 3, also we are obtaining it from the equation 3 it is. Here simply we are replacing hd of n by h of n, and we are replacing here from the definition of h of n, that the lower limit of the summation is replaced by what? Minus capital N minus 1 by 2 it is, and upper limit of this summation is replaced by what? Capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. H of, here hd of n is equal to what? H of n into z power minus n it is. Here now we are expanding this one it is. Here n is equal to minus capital N minus 1 by 2 to capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here for n is equal to minus capital N minus 1 by 2 means h of minus capital N minus 1 by 2 into z power minus of minus capital N minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus it is. Here z power capital N minus 1 by 2 plus so on. Here h of minus 2 into h of minus 2, n is equal to minus 2. H of minus 2, z power minus 2 it is. Minus into minus plus it is. Z power 2 plus h of minus 1, z power 1 plus n is equal to 0 means h of 0 plus n is equal to 1, h of 1, z power minus 1 it is, plus h of 2, z power minus 2 plus so on, last term, plus h of capital N minus 1 by 2 into z power minus of capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here I am writing this equation. Here h of 0 I am taking, it is separate term I am taking. Here I am expressing this total terms. Here in summation form it is. Here we are taking summation from n is equal to 1 to except this value it is. Here means h of 0 which is equal to what? h of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to capital N minus 1 by 2. Capital N minus 1 by 2 of h of n into z power minus n means for positive values it is. H of n into z power minus n plus h of minus n into z power n it is. I am writing this equation like this it is. Okay, that is there in here it is. Okay, here h of z is equal to what? H of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to capital N minus 1 by 2 of h of n z power minus n plus h of minus n z power n it is. Actually here for symmetrical impulse response, this impulse response is symmetrical about what? Here let us the impulse response is defined from what? H of n is defined from minus capital N minus 1 by 2 to capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here actually this impulse response is symmetrical about what? The origin it is. Actually it is symmetrical about the origin. Here from the symmetrical, what is the symmetrical condition of impulse response? H of minus n is equal to h of n. h of minus n is equal to h of n it is. Here now here this is the equation 5. We are substituting h of minus n is equal to h of n in above equation it is. Here that equation becomes h of z is equal to what? H of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to capital N minus 1 by 2 of h of n into z power minus n plus h of minus n is equal to what? H of n from the symmetry condition of impulse response it is into z power n. Here from this h of z is equal to what? H of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to capital N minus 1 by 2. Here in these two terms common is what? H of n of z power minus n into z power n it is. Actually this system is not physically realizable one it is. Here it is the non-causal system it is. Here to obtain a causal system, to obtain a transfer function of causal system. Here how to obtain a transfer function of the causal system? Here that can be obtained by multiplying this h of z with z power minus of capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here this means what? We are delaying this h of z, we are delaying the h of z by how many samples? Capital N minus 1 by 2 samples it is. Here that system function is defined from what? 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here means we are determining causal system, transfer function of causal system. How to obtain transfer function of causal system? H dash of z is equal to what? This can be obtained by multiplying the h of z with what? Z power minus of capital N minus 1 by 2. This indicates what? This means what? This shifts the h of z right by capital N minus 1 by 2 samples it is. Means it is h of z is delayed by capital N minus 1 by 2 samples. Means this h dash of z is defined from what? 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here h dash of z is equal to what? Here z power minus capital N minus 1 by 2 into h of z from equation 7 it is. Here h of z is equal to what? H of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to capital N minus 1 by 2 h of n into h of n into z power minus n plus z power n it is. Here what are the steps to design FIR filters using Fourier series method it is. First step, from the given specifications hd of e power j omega and capital N value, from the given specifications we are determining what? hd of n it is, impulse response hd of n. Here it is of what? Infinite duration sequence. Infinite duration sequence it is. Infinite duration sequence. Here this is the second step. What is the third step? In the third step we are determining the h of n. Here how to determine the h of n? We are truncating this hd of n. Okay, means we are representing h of n in terms of what? Capital N samples it is. Here means we are taking where h of n is equal to hd of n. Here it is the h of n is what? Symmetrical impulse response it is. Here means it is defined from minus capital N minus 1 by 2 to capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. The symmetrical impulse response it is. Okay, we are obtaining it from what? hd of n. Here means h of n is equal to hd of n for minus capital N minus 1 by 2 to capital N minus 1 by 2. The remaining values it is 0. Here, this is the third step. In the fourth step we are determining what? Fourier transform of h of n, that is h of z it is. H of z. Here this is the fourth step. Here what is the fifth step? We are determining the, actually it is not a physically realizable one it is. To obtain physical realizable system means it is non-causal system it is. That we are obtaining what? transfer function of FIR filters. Here, actually, FIR filters are causal systems. It is here transfer function of causal system we are obtaining. How to obtain? Here we are determining h dash of z. It is how to determine h dash of z. Here we are multiplying this h of z, means we are obtaining a causal system or realizable, physically realizable system. It is this can be obtained by multiplying h of z with what? Z power minus capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here this is the transfer function of FIR filters using Fourier series method. It is here how to obtain this one h dash of z. Here multiplying h of z with what? Z power minus capital N minus 1 by 2. This means what? We are delaying the h of z by capital N minus 1 by 2 samples. It is. These are the steps to design the FIR filters using Fourier series method.